Hello guys, welcome back again. I am here with the new learning lesson, with a new learning tool and with a new day. Today I'm going to tell you the amazing things that you never listened before. This tool that I am going to discuss is especially for the men or women who don't know how to cook properly, or they are very shy because of cooking, because they don't know how to cook. And but you don't worry, you don't need to take any tension. The tool that I am going to discuss today will help you complete, and it will tell you how to make sweet dishes, fast food, and several other things that are usually made in our homes. So don't worry, this tool will provide you a complete method. So let's extra. Here in the search bar, here you can ask him to make you recipe of anything. For example, I write here, I want to make pasta, and which kitchen tools do you have? You can select from here. Okay, and how much time do you have? You can also select the time here. That's very good thing. Here it is ask you, are you a good chef? No, I am not. Okay, so or you can select intermediate or a good chef. But sometimes if you don't touch to a skill, it can be forgotten by you. So here I write, press generate your recipe. Tantana, here is your recipe. You can see here preparation time, difficulty, ingredients, and kitchen tools needed. Oh, mind blowing. This is such an amazing tool, guys, and you definitely like it and use it to learn yourself and to learn anyone else. You can teach to someone by using this tool. So this is actually a informative as well as earning tool in a both way. So hope you will enjoy it definitely. So I actually make short videos. I don't make long videos, where people make long videos and they don't provide you enough informations, and they just talk and talk and talk. So stay tuned, and if you like our channel, like our effort, please subscribe the channel, and I will come back again with a new learning tool, with a new learning lesson, and with a new good day. So keep smiling and keep helping others. Thank you. Bye bye.